It's human nature.
And I'm not sorry. It's human nature.
It's human nature.
And I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me.
It's human nature.
You wouldn't let me say the words I long to say. You didn't want to see light through my eyes. You tried to shove me back inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and lies. Did I say something wrong? I didn't know we could talk about sex. Did I stay too long? I didn't know we could speak my mind. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature.
It's human nature.
And I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't bring your shit on me.
It's human nature.
You punish me for telling you my fantasy. I'm breaking all the rules I didn't make.
Don't repress yourself.
You took my words and made a track for silly fools. You held me down and tried to make me break. Did I say something true? I didn't know we could talk about sex. Did I have a point of view? I didn't know we could talk about you. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature.
It's human nature.
And I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't bring your shit on me.
It's human nature.
Did I say something true? Did I have a point of view? Did I say something wrong? Did I stay too long? And I'm not sorry. It's human nature.
It's human nature.
And I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't bring your shit on me.
It's human
I'm not your bitch. I'm not your bitch. I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me.
It's human nature.